With smart eco-camps, innovative zero-carbon travel, and eco-pledges, some travel destinations are setting conservation standards really high for the rest of the world. Let's celebrate these beautiful places for their amazing efforts to preserve natural beauty. Costa Rica is rich with protected rainforests, smoldering fishes, and evergreen canopies. Currently, more than 98% of energy in Costa Rica is said to come from renewable energy, putting this country on its way to becoming the globe's top carbon-neutral destination. The spectacular biodiversity of Ecuador ranges from the dense woodlands of the Amazon jungle to the rich wildlife of the beautiful Galapagos Islands. The green landscape is protected by constitutional environmental rights and has eco-lodges spread across to encourage travelers to maintain a low-carbon footprint. Palau is an extraordinary Pacific island with quaint villas designed to set new standards for ecological conservation. The country has actively protected its beautiful coastlines and rich biodiversity to preserve aquatic life. Travelers are encouraged to sign an eco-pledge to be considerate towards the environment during their stay. The Netherlands strikes a brilliant balance between exquisite modern life and protected ecology, with exciting eco-friendly cities like Amsterdam and Utrecht. This country boasts over 9,320 miles of incredible bike paths, and people keep their mode of transport extra green by renting a cycle to tour the towns and parks. With its incredible natural reserves, energy efficiency, and organic farming, British Columbia is a top travel destination for many eco-minded tourists. It has exceptional glamping sites and eco-friendly lodges located in the lush wilderness. The snow-freckled Icelandic capital city of Reykjavik is an eco-conscious fishing village at heart. Topping many charts for the greenest city in the world, it has a sustainable economy that complements its alluring preserved environment of majestic waterfalls, exquisite geysers, and hot geothermal pools. Slovenia is a frontrunner in protected ecospaces: alpine hills, dense woodlands, mesmerizing vineyards, and sandy coasts safeguarded formally. A beautiful place to spend a summer vacation, Slovenia is perfect for nature-loving responsible travelers. Finland is the European country we swoon over for its clean mountain air, icy caverns, and brilliant views of the enchanting northern lights. Sustainable efforts like offering tourists guide maps to plan eco-friendly trips and hosting them in fabulous lodges that run on water or wind-derived electricity are driving tourism in Finland. Traveling to these refreshing destinations will boost sustainable tourism and safeguard our wonderful ecology. If this video motivated you to take the step toward green travel, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel to join us in rediscovering travel.